I've been ignoring this tech drawer for too long. Between the tangled cables and the millennial urge to save every box just in case, it was time for a reset. So sit back, relax, and watch me turn this chaotic mess into an organized sanctuary. With spring around the corner, let's clear the clutter and step back into spring cleaning. The first thing I did was clean out the drawer. This took a little bit longer than usual because I was taking inventory of what I had for what and if anything consisted of junk and needed to be thrown away. I then placed the items on my desk by how I might organize them in the containers. My favorite organization containers are these acrylic containers from Dollarama. Not only are they aesthetically pleasing, they are also budget friendly with prices ranging from $1.25 to $4 depending on the size of the container. The foam cube is from Mastercraft, which I got from Canadian Tire for $15. The one I use lets you tear away the cubes without having to use a knife, but if you wanted clean cuts or exact cuts, I would also suggest getting the regular foam. The first thing I did with the foam is figure out where I would get the initial cut so I could get the size to fit in the small part of the drawer organizer, just like I've shown in the clip. Once I had the foam inserted, I started to map out the slots for the USBs, memory cards, and SSDs. Once I had those mapped out, I started pulling away at the cubes and continued doing that for each storage device. After I was done with the foam inserts, I started organizing the acrylic containers. As you can see, it took me a few different combinations of the container layouts to find a layout that would work in the cables and tech devices I have. I put the things I don't reach for often, like the Apple mouse and the Cricut cable, in the back of the drawer with the square acrylic containers. After the containers were laid out, I took out these Velcro straps to tie down all the loose cables. Some cables already came with the Velcro strap, while others I left in the plastic bag or original twist ties that came with them. Those cables are the ones I haven't used yet that come with some of the products. For now, I just left them as is, but once I do use them, I will put the Velcro strap on them as well. Next, I took out my label maker and made out labels for some of the cables, like this micro HDMI cable. The label maker I use is in the information bar below the video. After labeling them, I started to put back the other cables and devices. Once all the cable and devices were put away, I labeled the containers to make it easy to find things when reaching for things in the drawer. As you can see, the middle container is where I put my USB cables and adapters. The third large container is where I put my display cables, so the HDMIs, display ports, etc. If you've been ignoring your tech drawer, consider this your sign to start. If you like this video, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. My goal for 2026 is to make at least 2 videos a month for this channel.